From the classroom in Rwanda to the office in Nairobi, artificial intelligence tools are changing how we work, learn, and earn. Discover AI tools that write, analyze data, design graphics, automate tasks, and solve real problems faster and smarter. Whether you are a student, teacher, entrepreneur, or public servant, these AI tools are not replacing you, they are upgrading you. Problem solution style. Fast. Let me show you how. Problem 1. I spend hours writing emails, reports, and assignments. Solution. Use AI writing copilots. ChatGPT drafts in minutes. Microsoft Copilot drafts in minutes. Paste your prompt and set the tone. Ask for bullets, outlines, citations, and give examples. Problem 2. Data is messy. I can't find insights. Solution. AI for analysis. Copilot in Excel, Gemini. Clean this sheet. Find trends. Visualize sales by county. For schools and NGOs, Kobo Toolbox plus AI summaries saves days. Problem 3. I need designs. Fast. Solution. Canva with Magic Design. Type your idea. Poster. Lesson plan. Pitch deck. AI drafts templates. Choose fonts and tweak images. Try Midjourney or Adobe Firefly, then finalize in Canva. Problem 4. Too many repetitive tasks. Solution. Automate. Use Zapier or use Make. When a form is submitted, email the parent and update Google Sheets. Send WhatsApp, link Shopify, pull M-Pesa reports. No-code invoices. Problem 5. I can't code. Solution. GitHub Copilot. Describe the feature. It suggests code and explains errors. Pair with Replit to run apps in the browser. Build student projects and prototypes fast. Problem 6. My class needs personalized learning. Solution. Conmigo. Free AI tutors with step-by-step help. They create lesson plans, quizzes. Teachers. Try QuestionWell to generate quiz banks from your notes. Problem 7. Language barriers slow us down. Solution. Google Translate. Polish with AI. Use 11 Labs to localize audio. Whisper to transcribe meetings accurately. Here's the mindset. AI is a teammate. You bring context, judgment, and values. AI brings speed and scale. Start small, track time saved, then stack another tool. Africa's digital future is here. Don't wait for perfect. Upgrade today. Learn, build, stay relevant.